How to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. Or turn off Windows Defender on Windows. In this quick video I'm showing how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. Okay. Click on the Start menu. Type to search Windows Defender. Click to open. Here, under the Virus and Threat Protection setting, click on Manage Settings. Now go on Turn off these options. So that's how you can disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. That's how you can turn it off. Don't forget to subscribe. We meet on the next video.